Hey, what's up guys? I'd like to introduce you to our little Luna. She is about 6 weeks old now or so, and for the past couple weeks, Mommy and I have been very busy being first-time parents and taking care of this little one. She is actually why I haven't really posted a single video, other than the one a couple days ago, the live stream, in the past month and a half or so. It's been quite an experience. It's been hard, a lot harder than I was expecting, actually. I mean, most of the time, besides the sleepless nights and stuff, dealing with the crying, and it's difficult, but luckily the past few weeks or so, they've been slowly starting to get better. She's now able to make eye contact. She's started smiling now, which is amazing, and she's being a little bit fussy right now, but the times when things are really good, they make all the difficulties really worth it. But right now, I guess it is mostly difficult still, so it's been tough to make videos and stuff. I mean, I've tried to actually shoot this video several times with varying degrees of success. It's okay. Can we shoot a video together? That's baby life, I guess. It's funny, the past couple days have been actually really good. She's been happy and awake and things have been going great, and I'm like, oh, this is awesome. I can start another YouTube channel, and I've been, playing around with strollers and different baby monitors and all this stuff, and I'm like, I love testing and reviewing stuff. I want to start another channel, and I've actually started it up. There's no videos there yet or anything, but I wanted to call it Vortex Daddy, in addition to Vortex Radar. And it would be just kind of like a place to post, as I'm messing around with some of the baby tech stuff, kind of similar stuff to what I do here on my radar detector channel. But I guess last night was pretty tough, and I'm like, okay, kind of going back to like almost survival mode, just trying to, one day at a time here. And so actually here, I'm going to hand her back off to Mommy or to Grandma, and we'll kind of continue talking about latest recent stuff. Now that she's all taken care of and being comforted again, quick update as far as radar detector stuff. So I want to kind of slowly start easing back into making videos and all. I really enjoyed, of course, and I also kind of want a sense of normal again. I guess not the old normal, but maybe creating the new normal. And I love doing this, and so I want to start making some videos. I've already got a list of video ideas on my phone that I want to start working on over the next couple months. I'm going to be taking a break again in January. We're actually flying down to go visit my wife's family for about a month, or actually in December, not in January. And so I've got a number of things that I want to work on over the next couple months. Kind of some of the bigger projects, like, you're always wondering what's the best radar detector and all that kind of stuff. I've got it, of course, available on my website, which I update frequently. I'll link to that in the video description. But I want to do an updated video version of that as well. I've been paying attention to all the updates. There's been a lot of changes as far as different radar detectors, firmware updates, laser jammer updates, things like that. So I want to do an updated version of new and updated radar detectors, and so I've got a number of things that I'm looking forward to actually starting to work on again. I have obviously less time now, I'm more exhausted, but I definitely want to spend what little time I have to kind of start getting back into this, because I really do enjoy it, and I think it would also be helpful for my sanity too. So in any event, yeah, my pace I'm sure is going to be a lot slower than it was before, but I'm looking forward to just kind of getting back into the swing of things and adjusting to the new normal, so to speak, with Luna and I guess Mommy and I, just getting a sense of what it's like being first-time parents and having our first daughter here. So wow, it's a whole mix of emotions. It's crazy. Sometimes really tough and just challenging, and what did we sign up for? It's just crazy. And other times, like, still kind of small pockets of it so far. I know it's going to get more and more of this, but sometimes when it's good, it's really, really good. And so that's really nice too. But in the meantime, we're just kind of making do, chugging along, one step at a time, and getting back into it. So anyway, just wanted to say hey, and good to see you all again. And I'm excited to kind of start getting back into making videos once again. So we'll see how this goes over the next couple months, and I'm kind of adapting and getting back into it. So I guess, I crossed 50,000 subscribers while I was busy. That was kind of cool. I've got more subscribers now than I did when I stopped making videos. That's kind of wild. So thank you to everybody who joined recently, and hey to everybody who's been here for a little while. So again, great to see you all, even though I'm technically talking into a camera. But anyway, yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video, and I hope you all are doing awesome. Talk to you soon.